Hey you, and welcome to this video where I'll help you out how to change your Gmail ID or your Google account name. And this is very simple, but you need to know a simple step. Alright, first of all, go to your Google, go to your Gmail, or go to Safari, whatever you like. We will use Gmail to go right in the top to your Google account. Then here click on manage your Google account. And this is the setting that you can do on just the Google app, the Gmail app, or Safari where you logged into your account. Then after this, we click on personal info, and right here, we click here on our name. And right now, this is exactly what you see. So if you click here on name, you can fill in your first name and your surname, or what you also can do if you tap on name again, you can fill in your nickname if you want that to. So this is the place where you can change your name, and this is exactly what you were searching for. So if this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.